Welcome to 5515 118th Street in Jacksonville, Florida. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is located in Ortega Mobile Home Park, a family-friendly, pet-friendly park in Jacksonville. Let's go inside. Look at these beautiful wood laminate floors. Open concept. Living room has plenty of room for a sectional recliner. The kitchen with the island, pendulum lighting, black appliances. Perfect for entertaining, visiting with your guests. There's a separate laundry area with a side entrance, washer and dryer. Here's the master bedroom. They've got a small bed in there now, but plenty of room for a king. Ensuite bath with a step-in shower. Very clean, looks brand new. Lots of vanity space. Large walk-in closet. And we're going to head back out into the main area. See some recessed lighting in the kitchen. Down the hall to our first guest bedroom. This could be used as an office, craft room, hobby room, or a guest bedroom. As the closet, so it is officially a bedroom. And our second bathroom, the guest bath, full bath with the tub. And here's another guest room, and again could be used as an office or a little den. Also has a closet. If you're interested in seeing this great home, give Andrew Harmon a call. Integrity Mobile Home Sales, 603-986-4540.